Hi friends, welcome to our show! Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is digital money. The good thing about Bitcoin is that it's decentralized, which means you don't need a bank. There will only be 21 million ever in the whole world. Bitcoin was invented by Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows who it is. It's a mystery. How did it all work? I'm going to show you with Skittles. These are all the Bitcoin. Teddy has them. Lily has them. Unicorn has them. Dolly has them. This is my wallet. This is the unicorn's wallet. We all have wallets. Dolly can play 2 Bitcoin.
And so this represents the transaction. And stack it right here.
Take is only 1 Bitcoin. Thank you, Teddy. Thank you, Teddy. Now that's the blockchain. Everyone can see this, but it's all anonymous. So that's the difference of Bitcoin. Now let's talk about this fun stuff. Why is it so expensive? Bitcoin is secure, anonymous, and limited. So everyone wants it. That's why the price keeps going up. This is, I don't like these glasses on. I love Bitcoin, I love it, and skills. Okay, thanks for watching Willie Show.